Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to know if someone is spying on your phone. The way it's done is we will be using this app called Spy Check. I'll open it now, and as you can see we will click this button that says check for spies. Now we will wait for it to load, and as you can see it found 3 trackers spies. Wow, that's scary, so let's go ahead and remove it. So yeah, this app works amazing and it found spy apps and spyware on our phone. So let me show you all how to actually install this app so you can get it too. So to get this app, what we have to do is open your phone browser and go to the site called uluvpn.com. Basically, this app can only be gotten once you activate the uluvpn, as it is the same developer. So what we have to do is click the button that says pricing and then click get VPN. Yes, it says $3.99, but I'll show you guys how to get it for free after, and also you will be able to get $1,000 for free into your Cash App or PayPal with this VPN as well, which I will show you proof of. But anyways, click add to cart and then click the view cart option and then click proceed to checkout. You're going to want to fill out all the details it asks for in checkout. Once you check out, it will now show a success pop-up notification saying you have successfully purchased the VPN, and then it will now say the uluvpn official app will now install to your home screen. So now we just wait for it to finish installing, and it should be quick because it's not a huge app. Alright, great news, looks like it installed, and now if we go to our home screen we will now see the uluvpn app is installed. Now if we open it, we are now in the app. It looks like a completely normal VPN app, but here we will get the bonus app and also a free $1,000 into our Cash App, PayPal, or other options that they have. So if we click the menu in the top left, you will see a button that says install bonus app. If we click this will install the app that I showed you guys in the intro of this video, and that's pretty much how you get the app on your iOS or Android device. But also guys, do not forget, if we also click the money claim button, it will now allow us to enter in our Cash App tag, PayPal email, or it even allows us to choose an Amazon gift card as well. And if we enter it in, it will send us $1,000. So let me try it out right now. I will enter in my Cash App tag and let's see if they will actually send me the money. So as you can see, I have typed it in and it sending it. So let's now open Cash App and let's check if we receive the money. Okay, I'm opening Cash App and boom, check that out guys. We just received $1,000. That's so insane. As you can see, it actually works and uluvpn is legit. Also guys, if you want to get a refund on the VPN as well, just go back to uluvpn.com and tap on the get refund button and type in the email you used to make the purchase and they will refund. Make sure you type your email correctly, by the way. But anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you all later.